Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how to create the super easy fall door sign. So what I'll be using is a 15-inch wooden round. I had this fabric panel already, but you can order these from Hobby Lobby, from Amazon, Michael's, just all kind of places. They have all different types of themes and all different colors and things that you can use for this. And I got these dry fillers off of Amazon. I'll link those down below for you guys. I also got this really cute champagne ribbon here that I'll link down below for you guys as well. So we will be attaching this fabric to this wooden round, and in order to do that, you'll just need a basic staple gun. This is the one that I got. I got it from Walmart, but you can also order them off Amazon or get them at Lowe's. So first, you'll just want to line up your image on how you want it to appear on your sign. So I'm going to have mine a little bit off to the left here, because what I plan on doing is taking my dried filler here and kind of covering up this rake over here and placing a little bit of bunny tails. Just kind of having a little bit of a mix here, just laying right on top of this spot here, and it's going to be tucked all around here, all around the sign. So this will be pulled tight. This is how it will look for the most part. And then making a cute little bow to sit right down here in the bottom, and of course probably trimming off some of this excess of the stems here. But that's pretty much the basics of it. Just super simple and super easy to do. It's just a matter of attaching everything and just getting everything set up how you want it. So my fabric panel is kind of long, but I don't want to trim it up just yet because I don't want to accidentally cut it too short or something to where it doesn't fit around the sign how I want it to be. And because I already have a little twine hanger on this sign, I'm just going to try to center this on how I want it to look with that twine hanger. So probably something like that. So just need to hold it tight, and then we're just going to flip it on over. And then we'll just pull this tight as we can, and start stapling it onto the wooden round. And you'll just want to work your way all the way around, just starting on each edge and just pulling it tight so that your image is tight. So I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. When I'm recording my TikToks, I actually use this little cup here. I have a piece of burlap in it, and I just stick my phone down into the burlap like this, and it just sits perfectly. And then I can kind of like lean it forward a little bit if I want to, or pull it back, or however, and it holds my phone within this little cup, and it's like the perfect like view of just everything of how I need it whenever I'm recording things and I require both hands, or if I just want it to be like a steady shot, it makes it a lot easier. So just something that I do. I know it's kind of silly, but anyway, I'm going to record this part for my TikTok. So if you follow me on TikTok, you can go see the shortened down version of this video as well. And when I have a lot of fabric like this, which I will end up cutting this off, of course, once we get through with stapling the whole thing. But in the meantime, just to keep it tight and from all this buckling that it's doing right here on the edges, I'll just like fold it over and then just pull it tight and lay flat, and you'll see that it's more like clean along these edges here. It's not so ripply. So we made it all the way back around. So now we have all of this excess fabric here. I don't really know if it's worth like trying to salvage it. I'm going to try to salvage some of it because it is a cute little image on it that we might use on like a super tiny sign. Some of it I might not be able to salvage. I'm just going to cut it right along where I have it stapled at. So as long as this turns out cute and people like it, I do plan on selling it. So I want to clean this up a little bit and make it not look so messy. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just go right along these edges of my fabric and try to just like tuck them and make them look a little more neater. In hindsight, I would say leave it a little bit longer so that you have a little bit more to work with and you're not over here about to burn your fingers like I'm probably about to do. Just roll it up a little bit on the ends, take a little dab of glue and stick it underneath, and then just push down, and then just keep it moving that way. So you guys really enjoyed like the fabric windows that I did. I will link that down below, and also in the top cards if you guys want to go check that out. For anyone that may have missed that video or didn't see it, I done that video a long time ago, so the quality is not as good as this video is today, but people still seem to enjoy watching it to this day, so I'm really happy with that. And that sparked the idea of this sign. There's just endless possibilities that you can do with this, and I just really wanted to share it with y'all. So now we have it all tucked and glued, so it looks a little bit better on the back. It's not so like crazy looking. So we'll go ahead with the big reveal. So super cute. It turned out really nicely as far as it being just really tight onto the sign, so I'm really happy with that. So now all we got to do is add our floral and our ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to gather up all my dried floral and start attaching that. So this piece is a little bit longer right here, so I'm going to put that in the background of this because it would be nice to kind of give it like a rounded look. So like pull some of them down, have some of them longer, maybe like that, something like that. So now we're just gonna gather up our bunny tails. I love using bunny tails. I think they're so cute, especially for like fall decor and stuff. They just fit right in. So we're just gonna add in a few of these, just kind of sporadically through it. Maybe even put some in the background of it. And we're gonna place that right onto our sign. So I really like how that looks. I don't want them to move, so I'm just going to staple them down and then just cover those staples with my ribbon. So I'm gonna put my ribbon about midway. So I'm just gonna take my staple gun and just attach them all right there. Just make sure I get them all so that they're not able to move. And then of course we can trim off this excess down here because I don't want it just hanging off the sign like that. So right down here at the bottom, maybe about right here. And we're just gonna make a simple bow. I'm gonna try to anyway. So, okay, that looks cute. I'm gonna stop struggling with it now. And we're just gonna clip this off. And we're just gonna add that right there onto that. So, super basic ribbon, super cute though. I like the way that looks and I'm gonna keep it that way. So now we're gonna just glue this onto here. And I'm gonna do that to cover up our staples back here. This turned out so cute. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And if you're feeling super generous, hit that share button and share it with a friend that may enjoy this as well or may want to recreate it. But thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video.